love playing bubbles. This is how we make laba here. I make wash because I don't have money to spend for buying a washing machine, and I love also wash with bubbles. Here you go. And here's I use this one. I love this. This is not so dirty, guys. This is just like where when I get sweet I take off. So this is easy to wash because it's only just a slight use. That's why it is so bubbles. Oh, this is not a messy dress, a messy clothes. Mabango. This is so mabango. Bubbles. Like bubbles. Oh, it's that. I put the first one here in the other planggana, which we call here planggana. Because almost 5 days I was not doing wash clothes because we go to our union. We stay for 2 days there, and then so busy, guys. So I have to get more laba. You have get to laundry, you bring your laundry to me and I will wash. I will make. It's not so dirty because it's easy to wash when hindi siya masyadong madumi. O, diba? Pag matagalan tayo pag madumi. Like this one. Madali ko lang sinuot. Kaya laba agad. Oh. Hindi laba. So many bubbles. There you go. Ouch, stretchy. I miss upload videos, guys, because I always do live streaming because I'm so busy in daytime. I use this when I use my maybe my phone will drop the water. Oh, guys, the one who requested to make a long video, here it is. You watch until I finish laundry. They're finished already. This one also is my, you know, I love this color. It's not good smell. Sometimes I do this one. This is my bar, and I use also powder. This one, powder and bar. And where's this Estes? I use this chlorinated in the white. This is how we do it. Everybody move it. Oh my God. I only brush on clothes which is not garterized or stretched because it's damaged. Guys. It's damaged. It's easy to wash when you are hardworking mom. You do everything so that you can save money for using the save water, because water here is free. So I used to wash here, not at home, because free here, no bills. That's very hard to do. If you're going home, then it's very heavy to, you know, to take this one, heavy to carry back home. So I request my nephew to get the wash clothes here, because I can't carry this all. It's so very mabigat. So very mabigat, guys. This one. I'm good in doing this. So many dirty clothes, because my mother, my son, my mother is too old. He's turning 78 this here. So he's so many pain in the body, so I'll be the one to wash his hair clothes because I want her to be relaxed. My mama is old, so I'll be the one to do the laundry of her clothes. Oh my god, there's a lot of mosquito biting my legs. A lot. Oh guys, you know, most of my clothes are color pink because I love pink. This one of pink, and this is also pink, and this also my sock is pink. I have also my shirt is pink because I love pink, and this is all. Look at my tabo, pink, because I love pink, guys. I am a pink lover woman. Oh my god, maybe my pink lover. It's good. There's no playing music because the music will be copyright. That's why I make video with there's no music. There's no music. There you go. There you go. So you guys, you get me for La Bandera if you like. Like and share, subscribe to my channel. It's a very big help, guys, to improve my channel and get back for my membership, my new membership. I have also to make a video for my members only, guys, but for this time I'm busy. Video for only for my membership I will make for that this time because I'm busy as of now, but I try. A short top, one. Nakakuha na akong laba guys. Bisaya na punta kay usdan ko English. Hindi na punta mag English. Sorry for the English people. It's time to make a Bisaya. Magandang umaga. Maayong buntag. Maayong buntag. Pilipinas. Ang labata diri sa tabay. Pira buyag. Kaya dahan tubig dito sa pag-aulan. Kaya umuulan, magbaha diri. Magbaha. Floody. And it's so rainy, floody. Because we laba in the washi, we always turn around, not like this one. Maybe you make a rub. Yeah. In the washi, we go round. Soap, and the soap will not take bubbles because of the dirty. Hindi siya magbabubbles kasi dirty na eh. Laba is good. Laba is good. Laba more. Laba brush, laba. So guys, this is all for my laba. Oh, so many pa.